Looks like rain. Ooh, chocolate. Hey cake nieces, it's Marisha. A lot of you guys have been asking me for the basics. You just want a little chocolate cake recipe here and there. You want a vanilla cake recipe. You want some cobblers. As far as today I have for you guys a delicious chocolate cake recipe. I'm gonna tell you how special of a moment this is. I never ever share my special base recipes, but I'm gonna share my chocolate one with you guys. Whoever eats this chocolate cake always tells me it's the best chocolate cake that they've ever had. On this channel alone, my Valentine's Day heart, that was a great gluten-free chocolate cake. The Kahlua mudslide cake was also delicious. So we've done some chocolate cake here on this channel, but this is going to be your basic drop dead delicious. I know people say drop dead gorgeous. This is drop dead delicious. Yeah, I don't want you to smack your mother, but you could definitely pop your dad in the cheek. People always ask me for this recipe and I'm like, I felt weird about giving it to my grandmother, and that's my grandmother, but I was like, okay, because you know, I wouldn't be here without you. So, but anyway, I feel that this is better. This is some of the best chocolate cake I've ever had, if not the best. This video was actually another big batch baking video. I don't know if I'm starting like a string of big batch baking BBBs. It's just kind of coming out that way. This recipe makes enough for 3 8-inch cakes and 3 10-inch cakes. I'm going to also leave a recipe in the description for your standard 3-layer 9-inch cake. That's going to be on my website, and I'm going to leave the link for all of that in the description below. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. 90% of you are not subscribed. Press on the notification bell. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with my huge handy dandy bowl. It's not as big as I wish it was, but you know, I've got it. And I'm going to divide my sugar into that bowl and the container that I already have the sugar in, because I am using about 5 cups of sugar. So next I'm going to add in my unsweetened cocoa powder, my Himalayan pink salt, and then my baking powder and baking soda as well. And mix all of that together, you know, in my cute little oval bowl. And then I'm going to try to divide that as evenly as possible. I'm just kind of eyeballing this. Next, I'm going to add in my flour. So we're doing all of the dry ingredients. Usually I sift the flour, a quick whiskation through it, just drive a whisk through it a few times will help to add some air and fluffiness to the flour, but it's great regardless. Honestly, I was never a big chocolate cake fan. This is gonna sound so random. The only place who made good chocolate cake to me was Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese is great for their chocolate cake and their pizza. And I never liked chocolate cake and I never liked pizza. So that's saying a lot. Once all of my dry ingredients are combined, I am going to whisk everything together until it reaches a nice ashy brown, like a dusty brown. And then I'm going to add my coffee. This is room temperature brewed coffee. It's not strong. You can do strong though if you really want to, you know, hike it up a bit. And I'm going to divide that into my 2 bowls, and then I'm going to also add some water. Agua just rejuvenates, and it gives us life, and it gives us value and purpose. So next I'm going to add my vegetable oil as well as my eggs, and as you can see, this is the true definition of a dump recipe. I am just dumping everything, as nasty as that sounds. I'm dumping everything into the bowl. I finished with my vanilla extract. Make sure that you have pretty good vanilla extract because you really want to be able to taste it. And then I'm going to whisk everything together. I definitely did switch to a handheld mixer. No need in tensing the muscles if you don't have to. Some of you guys write me from different countries and you're like, what is this? What is that? I can't find that here. I can't find that there. I'm going to leave a link in the description for all of my videos of all of the special things that I use. Check that out. It looks so rich, so chocolatey, and when it looks this good, it must be ready. I'm pouring this into one huge container so that I can combine it. I definitely built some out for all of the Cakenistas who unsubscribed. And so I'm gonna combine both of my batches to make one big batch so that nothing has too much eggs, too much oil, too much sugar, and so on and so forth. Each cake layer is going to bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 24 minutes or so until a toothpick comes out clean. Then when it comes out the oven, it looks so dark and rich. I'm always so impressed by how dark and rich it looks because that's like the ultimate drop dead delicious chocolate cake. So what I did was I actually filled these chocolate cakes with chocolate ganache. I do have a chocolate ganache video which I will leave down in the description below, and I actually decorated this cake to look like a cute monster. So this was a cute little 2-tier monster cake. Let me know if you guys want to see that tutorial. I could definitely make that happen. Couture and a drop dead delicious chocolate cake. Bye guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any more requests like this one down below in the comments. Don't leave me without saying something. Don't be rude and just walk into the house and not even say hello to the homeowner. If you're gonna come in, come in. If you're gonna stay outside, then stay outside. Be cold, be hungry. Is that dust or a ghost? My goodness. Oh, it's dust because of the sun. But I wasn't gonna freak out though. Check the description for my chocolate buttercream that will go great with this. So delicious. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, cake nistas. And cake nistas, I'm sorry.